Welcome back to my channel. Jerica Monique here. So today's video I will be showing you guys how I apply this wig. This hair is from Alipearl hair. This hair is absolutely beautiful. It's so soft. I did experience some shedding with this hair when combing it out, but it wasn't anything like too crazy. So yeah, and it's like still super full and pretty. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to check the description box below for all the products used in this video and also this hair. I will supply a direct link to this hair if you're interested. Also hit that bell icon so you're instantly notified every time I upload a video. Also leave in the comment section below some video suggestions you would like to see from me. I want to put out content that you guys would like to actually see. Please leave that down in the comment section below. So if you would like to see how I did this hair and makeup, please keep on watching. Hey guys, so like I mentioned, this hair is from alipearlhair.com. This hair is so pretty. This is the box it came in. It also has on the back some how-to care instructions on how to maintain the hair. It also had a pamphlet inside just telling you about their hair. The box also contained a pack of 2 wig caps inside. They were like a nude flesh color. It also came with an elastic band that you can attach to your hair, and it also had a silk bag in it so you can store the hair when you're not wearing it. The hair came in this plastic bag. There was a label on the bottom of it stating that it was a 6x6 unit and that it's 22 inches long. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to go in with my Got To Be Glued Ultra Gel, and I'm just going to apply this to my edges so that I can slick my edges back. I also used a rat tail comb just to push them back a little bit more and keep them refined and out the way. And then I'm going to go in and show you guys what the unit looks like. I did apply some foundation to the lace of the unit so that it just blended in with my skin tone just a little bit better. The unit did come with 3 combs, 2 on each side and 1 in the back, and also 2 drawstrings so you can adjust the unit to fit your head size. So now I'm just going to put the unit on my head and kind of fix it to where I'm comfortable with it on my head and adjust it to how I want it. I'm going to use a rat tail comb to make a middle part. This is a 6x6 unit, so you can part far back on the lace, and then I'm just going to brush the hair down on both sides and go in with some scissors and make a slit in the front piece of the lace. Okay, so now I'm going to pull both of those tabs of lace back, and I'm just going to apply my Ghost Bond glue right in front of my hairline on my forehead, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and blow dry the glue down until it turns clear. I did apply 2 coats of this glue to my forehead. I just showed you 1 coat just to save time. Then I'm going to go ahead and pull both tabs forward and place them where I would like them to sit on my forehead. So now I'm just going to take my fingers and kind of smooth the lace out on my forehead just so that it kind of melts into my skin a little bit better. I'm also going to go in with my Got To Be Freeze spray and spray the front of the lace where I put that glue and just kind of use my fingers to press that in. Using the Got To Be Freeze spray is just going to add a little bit extra hold to the lace sticking to my forehead. Then I'm going to go in with my scissors and cut some of the excess lace off. So now I'm just going to go back in with that Got To Be Freeze spray and also the Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just going to be securing those end tabs on each side just so that they lay flat against my head. Here I'm using a popsicle stick just to secure the lace down so that it lays flat and smooth. So now I'm just going to go in with my blow dryer and just make sure that everything is completely dry. We don't want any lifting of this lace. So now I'm just going to go in with my comb and comb everything out, comb any tangles out. Then I'm going to use my spray bottle and just mist my hair with some water from roots to end and kind of just saturate the hair. So here's what the hair kind of looks like with just water applied from roots to ends. It's a really pretty texture and curl pattern. So then I just went in with some grapeseed oil. This is just a light oil just to coat the hair throughout, just to add a little bit of extra shine. Then I'm going to go in with my mousse, and I'm going to use this to kind of lock the curls into place. And I'm going to apply this from roots to ends. So I just continued to rake that product through. This is all I put in the hair. I really wanted to go for that like wet and wavy look, but the hair does get bigger over time, which is fine too. But I really love this hair. This hair is so soft and pretty, and I really recommend it for anybody looking for this texture of hair. So now we're going to jump into the face. First, I went in with my Neutrogena moisturizer. This is for extra dry skin. I love this moisturizer. I've been using it for a while now. I'm just applying it to my face and my neck. Then I went in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This primer reminds me of my Monistat Chafing Relief Powder Gel that I used to use years ago. And I absolutely love that. I use that forever. And that one is really inexpensive. You can get it at Walmart. And then I went in with my color corrector. This is from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is their orange color corrector. And I just applied this everywhere where I have darkness on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my foundation stick, Sokoto from Juvias Place. This stick has more of a reddish undertone, so I will be going in with another one with a more golden undertone. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my face spray. This one is from L'Oreal. This is their Lumi Shake and Glow Mist. I'm going to spray my brush, and then I'm going to use this and blend out my foundation. Now to add some of that yellow undertone back to my face, I'm going to go in with my Juvias Place foundation stick in Benin. And this one, like I said, has more of like a golden yellow undertone to it. And that's what my actual skin tone has. So I just wanted to add this one on top just to add that back to my face. So this was my first time actually using these foundation sticks, and as you can see, they're really full coverage but not cakey at the same time. So I'm really impressed with these foundation sticks. So now I'm going to go in with my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to use this to soak up any excess foundation on my face, and then also add that like flawlessness to the foundation so that it looks more skin-like. Now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place foundation stick in Guinea, and I'm going to use this one to conceal my darkness under my eyes. This is just a lighter foundation stick, and as you can tell, it has like a really light tan golden undertone to it. And then I'm also going to go in with my foundation stick in Katsina. This one is a darker foundation stick, and I'm just going to use this to contour everywhere I want on my face. So now I'm just going to use that same Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to use this to blend out the contour around my face. So now I'm just going to go back in with that Juvias PlCe foundation stick in Guinea, and I'm just going to use a little bit more to add on top to conceal my under eyes, and then I'm going to proceed to blend that out. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes using the Gobi loose setting powder, also by Juvias PlCe. This powder is kind of a perfect match for the foundation stick because it has pretty much the same color and undertones to it. So I'm just going to use that to set under my eyes and anywhere else that I did place that light foundation stick. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder in 800 Cocoa, and I'm just going to use this to set the rest of my face where I did not set yet. Now I'm going to go into my Saharan 2 eyeshadow palette by Juvias PlCe, and I'm going to take that top right color in Hadiya, and I'm just going to dig my finger into it and place that all over my eyelid. Now to blend out the edges, I'm just going to go in with a domed eyeshadow brush and blend those edges out. Then I'm going to go into my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Pressed Powder in 375 Java. And I'm actually going to use this shade to set the contour around my face. So to reverse contour, I'm actually going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder, my face powder, and I'm just going to reverse contour my cheeks. If you want to go for that more softer, natural look, you can just go in with your face powder to reverse contour, and it just gives more of a natural appearance. Then I'm going to go in with that L'Oreal Lumi Glow Mist Spray to just set everything in place. Now taking my favorite black eyeliner, this is the e.l.f. black eyeliner. I'm just going to line my upper lash line. Now I'm just going to go in with my Ulta Beauty Bold Ambition Volumizing and Conditioning Mascara, and I'm just going to use this to coat my top lashes. I'm going to go in with my Eyelure collab with Talia eyelashes. These are so pretty and wispy. Then I'm going to go in with my ColourPop BFF3 lip pencil, and I'm just going to use this to line my top and bottom lips. I'm going to go in with my The Empress Lip Collection by Juvias PlCe. This is their liquid lipstick in Candice, and this is a matte liquid lipstick. This is like a really perfect nude for dark-skinned girls like myself. This color is so pretty, especially paired with that ColourPop brown lip pencil. Now I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses lip gloss, and I just wanted a glossy lip today, so I just added this on top just to add some extra shine to my lips. So this pretty much completes the look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out the link to the hair below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.